There we go. What up? All right. See if that works. So we're creating a vendor as well. These are also going to need display IDs, but we should see them now. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Let's see.
I got what you need.
All right. Lots of wildfire. I think we need to increase the values a little bit on these. Maybe increase everything by like between 1 and 4%. Also, I want to increase the set damages as well. For example, they're both like the starting one and the rank 10 are showing the same exact set bonuses. So like we can increase, for example, Thorns damage on it should go from 4 to like 34 or something. We need to make sure that we're actually increasing set bonuses too. But yeah, the main goal here is that it's going to be very hard on level 10. Also, change up the messages because it says Private Server X Season 1, Rank Tier 1, Reward, Wildfire, Scenario, and Rank 10 from Key Tier 9. Like, that's just too much. It should just say, like, up at the top where it says, like, chest, just put, like, plus 10, plus 9, plus 8, like that. That way it's easier to understand. And remember to do this for all pieces using, you can use 5 sub agents to do this. All right. Let's move this into downloads. Let's go here. We're going to update our download or our stream here to have a different thing. Here, change this one. Oh, all right. We are gonna get into this, go to here. We can show this here. Sweet. Is my background frozen? It is frozen. Let's delete that and let's re-add it. Display capture. Move it here, move that there. Grab this. We want this one. Put it right here. There we go. Perfect.
Be good.
All right, key bindings. Let's set bags, I think.
How you doing?
You got your baby?
Keep it real.
Great. The next thing I want to do is start players with 10,000 gold. Gold isn't really used for anything, so we can give players a decent amount. That way they have 10,000 gold in their inventory. I believe it actually goes by copper in the database or wherever you're going to do it, but I think it's in the world config. But yeah, update that. I don't have to do it. All right, now as far as starting gear, I want to test, we'll just say mage really quick. So human mage. Yeah, double flickers, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I also want to move this bitch right here. These two guys. Over here.
Greetings.
We're gonna set roll DPS.
Be careful.
So, okay, so we need to fix that. Because
I can't use that yet.
I don't want to do that.
I need both hands for my weapon.
Perfect. The next thing for mages, I want to remove by default. They shouldn't have portals or teleport abilities learned. And they shouldn't be able to learn them either, as we don't have a reason for people to teleport around. They don't need those. Once you fix that, then I want you to make it so all the correct specs know their skills already. For example, I made a mage, but it says I don't know swords. You'll probably need to research this, but make sure that they know these already, and then make sure their skills are maxed out. In game, you could do .max, but yeah, make sure they're maxed out by default. The way you look, the way you live. Whoa, 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 wow. Okay.
Backyard. Camera. Battery low.
Oh, thanks for telling us that.
I need a target.
At the training area or yeah, training hall, it says Durotar. I want to make it so it actually says training hall instead of that up at the top right, and then I want to make it so the dummies are a little smaller. Make them into actual training dummies, because we do have those. Make it show that model, and then let's put walls around the area, like maybe even ghost walls. Or no, don't do that. I don't want ghost walls. But yeah, then there's two NPCs. There's the queue steward and the training hall guide. They both do the same exact thing. Can we fix it so they're two separate things? And then the guide, let's make it so it opens an actual window, not just like the chat. I want it to be like a custom window like we have for other stuff. Make sure you use a new C++ script for this as well. All right, so that's gonna fix that. The way you look, the way you leave. You can't log into a character that's deleted. Mort, 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 Mort. Mort, Mort, Mort. Say hi, Mort. Good morning. See if he comes over you. Put your hand in. Hi, Mort. You want to bring him in the other room? Yes. Let him right behind you. Got more. Here he is. There's more. You sit with him. Stay there. I mean, it all depends, but for Trinity, I am running. Sorry. Running Trinity, but I just kind of scale them down based on accounts, but everything is locked at 60. So like you could still log in and create Death Knights and stuff like that, but the progression wise is a little different. Hello?
Sorry.
All right, give me one sec. I'll be back as well. Mort, put it in his cage, okay? Boy. All right. Let me see what you got here. Let me see what you got here. Yeah, just
Waiting on IQ. Hold on.
Okay.
Waiting on IQ to fucking update. There we go.
Oh.
There we go. My DPI was all over the place, dude.
You're good.
All right. What do I do?
Put it in just put it in like your PC. It doesn't matter where. Just extract it anywhere. What the fucking shit?
She could fit her hand underneath the thing.
Yeah. Why is it stuck?
No, she was getting on the block.
She was giving it to him.
Go on. I know, she was messing with it.
It was open when she grabbed it earlier, so I think she. I don't know which. Did she put her hand all the way in there?
Yeah.
What a crazy kid.
Leave her alone.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Hi, Zeus. Select the destination. What? What are you talking about?
How's she doing?
She's still been a little warm, but I gave her both Tylenol and Motrin, so she's feeling a lot better running around like a nut. You want me to pick you up? Yeah. Screen seems stuck. I don't know why my screen keeps doing that. Let's try and add another one. I'm on live stream and my screen keeps getting stuck. Not you, D. No clue what's wrong with my screen. Clue, yeah. Don't know why it done diddly does it.
What's up, Grace?
You say hi? Hi. She doesn't know who she's saying hi to, but she's waving.
Hi.
Could be this. Let's see. No, it's literally just wow. Yeah.
All right, we're good. Now what?
Okay. Go in there. Go to data. ENUS. Open realm list in like a notepad. Realm list dot what the fuck. Yep.
Edit in Notepad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna hang on. I'm gonna give you the one you have to change it to. I just don't want that on my stream.
So set realm list.
Yeah, you're just gonna wipe everything out and put what I just said.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Save.
Yeah, save it. And then I have a couple more things I gotta give you. Let me give you this. Minimize that. Let's go into here. And then you're gonna take. What's wrong with the stupid computer? I know, that's what I'm saying. You're gonna download that I just sent you.
Okay.
And then
Where should I put that?
open that folder. And then you're gonna go, you have go back to data, not in ENUS. And then put the patch ENUS and patch X. Put both of those in there.
So this one
There's two of them, yep. Put that one and put the other one.
and this one.
Yep. Now go back to data, or go back to like the main folder, launch wow.exe. You're in it. I'm gonna have it create you an account really quick because I don't know if account create works yet. I'll send here. Actually, let me.
This one, right? This one right here.
Hang on a second. I've got a
Or
million
launcher.
things open. No, just wow.exe. You can delete that launcher.
I don't see wow. Am I blind?
That's wow. You're highlighting it.
Ah. Get out of here. Ah.
All right. Let me create you an account. That's pretty dope. Yeah, V-Mango's is old, man.
Oh. Is there something wrong with the volume?
Is it broken?
Yeah, it's like clicky.
Just mute it all. I ran a private server ages ago called WoW Ponage. Had about 7,000 people on it, and I'm trying to create a new one. There's a lot of people that work on private servers, man. I wish my browser wouldn't be so stupid.
It's running really shitty.
Is it?
Yeah. Any movement, it's running real bad.
Yeah, create a character. I'll fix that. It's my patches. I think once you get in, it should fix it.
Would you go?
It's not gonna matter. Just go whatever. I want to see if you could get in. That's the main thing. Yeah, try to log in. Okay, so you're in. All right, wait right there. Let me.
Baby's fucking screaming, of course, dude.
Why should we be doing that?
Yeah.
Let me create a character. There you are. I see you. Is it still twitching?
Kinda.
It's my patch. I have a lot of work to do on them because they're custom, but
The first thing you do when you start WoW is you fucking change strafe to A and D.
Yeah, that's what I did. Press Y. I just want to make sure that you're.
I'm still streaming it to you, right?
Yeah, I'm looking. Once those
Can
are
I
all
skip
closed.
all these?
Yeah, press open your achievements. Okay, so that works good. Would you make me a pally? If you open your bags, do you have all the sets? Yeah, you do. Okay. That's all the custom.
What am I set up for? I'm set up for tanking right now, I think. Prot? Yeah. No, healing.
You're not set up for anything. It just gives you the gear, but I made it so it
Yeah, well,
should have-
this is healing gear.
Yeah.
What is all this gear? Is this like the
That is custom
like
stuff that
highest? It's not like the
No.
highest tier.
I made. No, so here, let me
This is tanking gear.
show you. What'd you name
Judgment
your
of Light here.
Pallypuss?
Pallypuss.
I don't even remember how to fucking summon, so I'm trying to press escape and press return to starting zone.
Can you hold this for 1 second?
Yeah, of course. What's the matter?
1 second, she'll be back tomorrow.
Do you smell like poop?
Hey, how you doing?
Do you stink?
this is the gear I'm working on right here. This guy that's standing under me. So these will be all the sets based on like the keys.
Like how far you get?
Yeah, so there's
So like the only way to wear +1 is to complete the +1?
yeah. Well, you have to do the +1, but it'll randomly. It's random, so there's gonna be other shit too. These are just
What's
the sets
random?
I'm working on.
Have a
And
good
then
one.
I don't know if LFG actually works, which is why I wanted you to get on. So
Yeah.
press H. Just click join solo. I'm just trying to look at something. Okay, I can see you on there. Perfect. Okay, you can leave that. Manual. Does manual show up for you? You go to hit refresh, the top right. Oh, there you are. Okay. I have to make it so it's good, but all right, that's fine.
Yeah, like I don't. Can you see like what's happening?
I can't. It does it on mine too.
Well met.
It's the custom stuff that I have to fix.
Like when I'm moving the mouse, nothing else on the screen moves.
Yeah, it's the way that I built the patches. Click on this middle guy and click Ragefire. This is the dungeon I'm working on. So if you come in here, I'm still slowly getting there, but you got the keystone where people can put their capstones in. And
Okay.
then if I click start, it should start for you. Yeah. So you have to hit ready, but I think you have to click on it and hit start. Yep. Then it will not do anything, I guess. So I gotta fix that. Cool. Bugs, many bugs. All right, so one is the lag from patches in login screen / char screen. The capstone queuing isn't working, but trying to see. What's weird is it works. It's not starting. I don't know why.
Not enough of us.
You could do it solo. It won't. Like, watch here. Come out and then I'll show you.
You sure?
It won't like do anything. Come outside though, because I left the group, and then go back in and start it. So now if you hit start, it should.
No.
Come back out.
Doesn't clear the fire.
Come back out and reset the dungeon. Like reset your thing. I'm trying to fix that lag too, but now try.
What do you think causes that?
Custom patches. There's got to be something running that's not supposed to. Why isn't it starting for you? I wonder if because maybe that's
It says
might be right.
this role will be remembered, but you still need a healer, a tank, and
All right, come out again really quick. I wonder if I can go in. There we go. Okay, yeah, I could do that. All right, hang on. Don't come in yet. All right, so I believe I can start it. All right, go in. So now if I hit start, hit ready, like go to the thing. I need to make like a thing that says ready, but
he just spit up. I was trying to get up.
it's not starting with two of us for some reason. All right, I'll have to fix that, but
Get closer. Dang, I can't go to Orthamar.
nope, you're beat. I locked it. Okay, so the lag, the capstone's not working. What else did you say was not working?
I think that was it, the volume.
Oh yeah, volume.
It's like weird. You hear the weird clicks.
That's got to be like my loading. So my loading screen is actually there, but it's not showing up. I don't know why. That's what I need to fix. But
It's only when ambient sounds is on, or yeah, it was ambient sound. Nope. It's music. It's the
Okay.
music.
All right, I'm gonna assign agents to fix them all.
Agents,
Yeah,
like AI.
yeah, that's what this whole thing's built from. But I mean, I
Da
know,
da da.
I know C++, so it's a plus.
Where is she? Let me see her.
I don't know if it'll let me show the camera here as well. Let's try. Oh, yeah.
There she is. Hi, Grace.
Say hi.
You look like you're feeling much better today.
You made Uncle DJ really sad yesterday.
You made me really sad.
Go ahead, wave. Why are you pinching yourself? Say bum bada bum bada bum bada bum bada bum.
Poor girl, man.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Baby's immune systems just aren't that strong yet. You know what I mean?
Am I using 100 or 200 sub? I don't know what that means, Storm. Hit me with it. I don't know. I'm also getting like that lag, but I thought the lag was because I'm running it on Mac, but
No, it's literally when I move my mouse. If I take my hands off, everything runs clean.
I guess it is. Yeah, I mean, I'm sitting here and it looks fine. Mine does like
But
that twitching too.
But it's weird because if the cursor's gone, I can move my mouse all I want. Like if I'm double clicking and I'm running, like it doesn't lag at all. But the second I move my mouse across the screen, everything freezes.
Yeah.
You see, you could see it, right?
Yeah, I can see it because it also does it on mine.
Yeah, like what the fuck?
Pull? Why would I pull that? All right, well, I got stuff looking at all those, but I'm trying to figure out. Let me what account level are you? Dot account info.
Hi, Grace.
Info. I think it's P
Hi,
info,
Grace.
right?
Smelling deodorant?
What does that smell like?
Did you get it open?
No,
I
you didn't.
wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, she did. She opened it.
It smell good. Did you put it on your face?
You eating deodorant?
Don't
No,
eat deodorant. That's gross.
Honey.
I know it smells good, but don't eat it.
That goes on Daddy's armpits. Don't eat that.
Weird kid. All right, your account ID is 8. Let's see. Dot account
8?
set GM dot account dot
This
account
is called
set
World
GM
of
level.
Warcraft.
This is Daddy's favorite video game ever
I don't
made.
even remember the fucking
Daddy
command
really
for
likes this video game.
it.
Yeah.
I'll have to go into the database right here.
You
Let's
played it.
I did. I mean, it's fun. It's not like the end all be all.
If they kept making very good expansions, it's literally would be still the best video game. It might be still the best video game of all time. It's the game
Nah.
that I've definitely put the most hours into.
Oh yeah, we've got way too many hours in this game.
I know, dude. And I've had the same account, so if I log into retail, I wonder if it'll tell me on retail account wide and then SOD and hardcore and fucking regular classic, dude. Like Jesus Christ.
I kicked you from the server, but you're still online in on your screen.
Nope, got disconnected.
Log back in, and you should. I gave you GM. I want to see if we can start with that. Or you should be able to go in. Type dot GM
That
space
used to be
on
you.
dot, not slash,
That was your
like
brain.
period.
Now it's in here.
All right, now go into the dungeon.
You need to take a nap.
Now try to start
You
it,
need to
or turn
take
off
a
GM.
nap.
Turn off GM too, though,
To take a nap.
It's just GM off.
You need to take a nap.
and then start it. All right, now close that middle window there. It doesn't disappear yet, but so that's the timer. It goes down. The gate will open. and you will probably get clapped by those, but if you turn GM on, they won't attack you. Because they've got, I'm trying to figure out like tuning for their health based on like, you're in tank gear, you said?
Chris, what he thinks about our recent idea.
What's our recent idea? Oh, Chris is all about us buying a house.
Where are you buying a house at?
I don't know. We're thinking about breaking our lease. Like, it's only $4,000 to break our lease, and
We did.
if we, that's 2 months worth of rent. So if we do that 2 months early, it's worth it.
You can also tell them to just fuck themselves. Nothing wrong with that either.
Nah, I'm not getting taken to small claims by these idiots, dude.
Go to the first boss. It's the only one that's like, the guy that's up there, yeah. So all of them have like new abilities and do like kind of new stuff.
You should make it so you can mount in here.
That guy right there, standing there, is a new guy. That's a lieutenant. I'm still working on him, but
He'll touch your pooper.
yeah.
How much health do these things have? 32,000? Okay.
The trash has around 10 to 12k, which isn't terrible, but I need to.
And then the boss, 179. Okay.
On level 1. Stop. On level like 3, he's got like 250, so it scales pretty high. Die as well to kill him. And then I've got requirements. So all the trash is weighted. So like if you kill trash, the more trash you kill gives you like that enemy forces complete. So you have to finish all the bosses and that to get completion.
Got it. But
So
you're just
we're-
trying to like fine tune it.
It works similar to Mythic Plus. Fine tune
Yeah.
it, but I need it to work.
Yeah, true.
I removed all the heavy login media good. Volume
It's
has been
counting. Like
updated.
it sees that I'm killing stuff.
Oh, everything should work. It's just queuing up. Like I built my own matchmaking system, which is what's gonna need work.
Yeah, and this lag.
The lag should be fixed very soon. Let me double check. I'll die. Your best bet is to just make a macro and just spam click it.
And I'm just seeing like how long like this room would clear like a 16th of the bar.
Invite my character.
What's your name? Great.
You got me, yeah. It is lagging. Okay, so the percentages are going up based on the dungeon, which is good. Nope.
How'd you
nope.
do that?
It's dot mod speed, and then I would do like 5. I wouldn't go anything more than that. And click U, or it's gonna mod me. I think 100 is the max, but if you do 100, I'm telling you, you're gonna disappear. Yeah, you be zooming.
Oh, I'm in the lava. Oh fuck, I'm in the lava. Oh fuck.
Dot GM fly on. Oh, you got out.
No, I'm good. Yeah.
So this guy's next for working on him. I don't really know what I want to do yet. He's got
Lots
like
of fire.
these
Maybe like have
to...
him spawn ads.
Yeah, they
and
do.
they like come from the sides. You know what I'm saying? Like after you clear all these, and if you don't clear all these will aggro with him.
Could do that.
So like the 4 points. You see what I'm saying? 1, 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
the
and then
outskirt.
just give him like a hellfire, like a pulsing hellfire mechanic that you have to heal through.
He does do... I don't know how to... Let me see if I can respawn him. Actually, I can go like this. Hang on. Okay, my mouse is tweaking out. Hang on. Should be... Not gonna spawn. Oh, there it goes. So if I do mod HP, let me mod mine really quick. Please. All right, so if I do learn, see, he's got, see that thing like around me? He'll do like that. Oh,
I got disconnected.
Yeah, it reset the server because it's trying to fix all these issues. But
Well, I mean, at least you know people can log in and like the matchmaking shit kind of works.
yeah, I gotta fix matchmaking. The only thing is like I'm not gonna have you keep testing because like every time I make a change, you'll have to put that file in and constantly be doing that every change because I have to rebuild that patch file every time. But stop zooming in like that. Doing that.
That's funny.
But it's no, I got a couple things to fix. I can test with two like screens, but the volume should be fixed when I test that. In-game lag was the dungeons causing problems, and the capstone is getting fixed now. So
Let's see what happens.
yeah, I'll give you if you want to try it one more time, see if it fixed all those bugs real quick.
Yeah, so what do I do here? Do I go to this folder, data, and then just delete these two?
You can just drag the new ones in. I'm waiting for it now. One thing you want to do though is when you go back to the unlimited WoW folder and delete cache, like that entire cache folder that you have. That way, when you go back in, it doesn't have all that same shit in it. Let me see what the status.
What about
is.
WTF?
Nah, don't delete that. Those are those are things you need to play the game.
What does that even stand for?
What the fuck? Presley! Probably gotta get her medicine soon. Give her more Tylenol.
You got a thing for me?
A what?
Oh, you're not done. It's not done yet. Your patch.
Yeah, I have. I do have a launcher that I have built, but it doesn't really do what I want it to do. Actually, yeah, I should have you try and download that really quick, so I can see if it even opens on Windows. Because I have no way to test that. Go to how to connect at the top, and then download the Windows launcher. See if it even opens on your computer. It's not a virus, so it's okay. All right, got all your banking info? No, I'm just kidding. You're done? Did it install? Or did Windows block it?
It's something. There it goes.
Oh, there it goes. All right. Press choose folder. Like where it says game folder, you'll want to choose WoW wherever you put it. Yeah, that one. No, just choose the actual folder itself. Select. Not that one. Oh, go in. Yeah, the unlimited WoW one. Yeah, that one. All right. Okay. I don't know why it says your MPQs aren't there, because they are. But hang on. Let's see. Push latest MPQs to the launcher, please. Because they're supposed to pull from a server that I have set up. Let's see. I've got like 3 other people that are willing to help test too. Before I actually put it on all kinds of websites and shit. Refresh. Yeah.
Your login interface files are corrupt. Please reinstall the game. Okay.
You didn't hit install MPQ, did you?
No, I hit launch game.
Yeah, it looks like it installed it automatically.
But it says, yeah.
That's
we're good
fine.
now.
I'm gonna give you the fixed ones right now. The one that's downloading is the one where I was trying to make my own loading screen, but I'm trying to make my own animations and shit, and it's tweaking out. Just send you that. Try that, and then just drag those into the data folder.
It was the EN and X.
Yeah, you should put them in data, yeah. It'll replace over them.
Okay.
And then launch wow.exe and let's see if it fixes it. See if it fixes your sound, because I put something in to try to fix that first.
Login interface files are corrupt.
Still says that?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, hang on. Mine is not, so it's gotta be that launcher that downloaded something. Trying to think. You just close the launcher completely and then let's see, go back to data or go to delete your cache folder, because I think you still have one there. Delete that.
Am I stupid?
You're not clicking it. Click it first and then right click it. Now go back into data. Delete both those patches that are in there, the patch X. And then give me 1 sec. I want to make sure that you have the ones you need, because I don't know if you need all of the ones that are in there. Documents, this one. My folder has way more. I've got patch 2, 3.
Yep.
Delete 7 and 8. I don't know what those are. And then put the X's back in there now. And then try to launch the game and let's see what happens. It shouldn't be
Corrupt.
Is it? Okay, hang on a second. That's weird. I'm working on fixing the launcher so it just updates them automatically, but don't hate on that website. I built that in a single 8 seconds.
It shows.
Yeah.
Like, look at this. Log in.
Yeah.
And then create account on the very the top.
Yeah. That was an extremely quick project. It's weird because I was able to launch and it did not give me a problem. So I wonder if mine is... Server's down anyway. Why is the server down? Hang on. Extract cleanly, they're not broken internally, they're failing. Okay, I'm gonna give you a new one. Where's Discord? Right here. Let's try this one. So in there, just drag, where'd Discord go? Just drag like right into it, pretty much. Go back to data, like go back to unlimited WoW and just drag data right in there. Yeah. Not all of it, you don't need all the other shit. Clear your cache.
Yeah.
It's not up yet, so give me 1 sec.
Do you hear that sound?
No, I don't hear it. It's still doing it?
Yeah.
Do you have your sound? Do I have your sound on? Hang on. What is, like, I'm trying to see stream volume. All right.
It's not, whenever there is sound, hold on, I'll try to like.
I don't hear anything.
When the dragon flew in, it was stupid loud. There's no sound happening right now, so. But it's like tick, 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 tick. Like static. Like interference almost.
Mine doesn't do it. You should be able to log in now.
This guy's offline.
Click enter.
Click enter.
All right. Let's see if turn.
Still lags.
Is it?
Yeah.
Trying to look. What is it? Oh, like it's lagging when you move your mouse. Are you in full screen?
Yeah.
Go to video. Turn full screen. Like, yeah. Hit apply.
I can't do anything. It just goes black when I hit windowed mode.
Okay. That's a pretty common thing with it. Change your resolution to something like 1920 by 1080. Dude, don't do that. Too wide.
You see it still?
That problem I don't have. That's an actual computer thing, I think, because that actually happened to me a long time ago.
Oh wait, I can see it. I can see it. I can see it. Apply. Nope, still happening.
Like black screen?
No, no.
Oh, okay. Hang on a second. Aim freezing when move mouse 3.3.5a Windows. Wow. Wait, go back to your settings really quick. What are your what's your refresh? Are you at highest you could do? Your refresh? Yeah, 140. Okay. It was already at that.
No, it was blank. I had to put it at that.
Is it doing it now?
Yeah.
Still doing it? Huh. That's weird.
Turn VSync off. Still does it.
No, that's
Reduce
just like
input
a.
lag?
I'll have to look at that. Turn GM off really quick. And then I'm gonna. Can you reset the dungeon? I just want to see if we can queue in there now. And I'll have to figure out why we can't fix that, but hit ready on this thing, and then let's see what happens, I guess. Oh, it worked!
There we go.
Nice. I don't know why your game is. That's the stutter's weird though. I'm looking to see. Nice. Okay, so this works now. Let me see. I'm looking on Blizzard's website. Let's see. When moving mouse in game. I don't know what I'm set up as. Am I set up as a tank? I think so. See how hard these things hit. Well, 200, not terrible. Here, let's, I want to walk out and see how hard a 10 hits. I want to make sure my scaling worked.
248. 300.
Yeah, these aren't hitting that hard. Let me get a keystone. Reset the dungeon real quick. What is 10? V? No, that's 5. X is 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. See how much these hit for. All right, we are gonna put a 10 in. Oh, the debuffs work too. Oh shit. All right, how much health do they have now? 18, okay. Come here and hit me. Okay, so the damage on these isn't terrible. Yeah, what'd you got? You got garbage? Why is there gear dropping?
Oh.
I don't know why there's gear dropping. Let's die over here. Yeah, I need to figure out, like, so that affix is what I need to figure out how I want to work it. Let me see what this said about your computer. All right, close your game. And then... Did it freeze?
Yep. There it goes.
Delete your cache folder really quick. And then go into WTF. Go to open config. All right, you're gonna look for GX API. What do you got? Put that down. Stop shaking that around. Is it not in there?
No.
All right, if it's not in there, here, I'm gonna send you this, and these are what need to be in there or changed to. Stop.
I don't even see GX API at all.
It says it's either in there or it's not going to be. If it's not in there, just add it to the bottom. You're missing the S.
Somehow.
GX window should just be 1. I don't see that either.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I got it. I see it's right here.
GX maximize should be 1.
Oh, see maximize.
Maximize, you don't. If you want it maximized, you don't have to put that in there. GX fix
What does it
lag.
do?
It maximizes the window. So GX window means it's windowed mode. Maximize means it's maximized windowed.
No, we'll leave it. We don't need that. GX fix lag 0. Raw mouse enable.
I don't see that. That one.
See hardware cursor speed either.
Yeah, so you need those two. Hui. Then save that and then go right click on wow.exe. Open, right click on it first. Yeah. And then go into properties. And then compatibility. And you want to disable full screen optimizations and just hit apply. Do you use Discord overlay?
Nah.
Okay. All right, try to run your game now. See what happens. Because a lot of people say Discord overlay will mess with these.
Still doing it.
What mouse do you have?
Night Sword Corsair.
You know what the polling rate is on it?
1,000, maybe more. Maybe 1,200.
Does it actually let you see? DPI maybe? Oh, it's over there.
No. Right here. 1,000.
Can you change it? Just change it to like 125 for now. I just want to see if that does anything.
Makes my mouse horrible.
Yeah, go in game though. It's your mouse.
Does it? It works, yeah.
Yeah, it's just your mouse polling rate is fucking too fast for 2008.
Damn, I don't want to change that.
Try 500. 500 is pretty typical for mice. Just see if that works. Because you probably won't notice a difference on that, but... Yeah, maybe 1,000 is just too much.
Yeah, it's weird.
Does it do it in game, or was it just there?
I mean, it's not doing it here.
Yeah, it's weird. I mean, I'm wondering if that's why mine kind of lags a little bit sometimes too, but I don't know if that's what it would be.
Let's put it back and see if it is that. Yep.
Mouse is too fast for the game.
That's insane.
Yeah, it literally says like old clients will act weird with high polling rates.
That's crazy.
Give me one sec, D.
You're good. I'm gonna get off, Chris, because I gotta help Laura with the baby.
All right, bro. Sounds good.
I'll hit you up.
All right, I'll catch you.
All right, bro. Let me know when you update.
Okay, yeah, I'll let you know once I got a bunch of shit done.
All right, bro.
All right, peace out.
Peace.
My bad, Storm. Why do you have garbage in your hands? Come here. You're gonna come sit with me. Come here. 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 Get over here. It was a high polling mouse, yeah. No, we're not gonna touch that. All right, dungeon's good. We need to make sure the loot isn't in here. There shouldn't be loot in any of these dungeons. No. In the dungeons, I've noticed that some NPCs are still dropping loot. We want in Ragefire Chasm, none of the creatures should drop any loot on any of the keystones or any version of it. No loot should drop from these mobs. Make sure that we remove the loot tables. Why are you putting that over there for? What are you doing? What happened to my camera on here? Oh, now that's hidden. Oh, let's just never put it back. Okay. All right, well, we fixed that for him. What? All right, we got to start fixing some of these key sets. Let's go to GM Island. I think my stream should be good now, I believe. Yeah, a little better. No, no, no. Stop, Presley.
Time is money, friend.
Yeah, no. 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 No, 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 no. Yeah. No. You stop it. We're gonna need lots of tuning on these. I'm gonna freaking squeeze you. Why are you messing with trash? Why do you think that's funny? Our camera's going crazy over here. It's moving all over, following us. Move. You're crazy, huh? Those are ears, yes. Yeah, I think I'll end up moving the name. So, I mean, literally, me and a buddy of mine thought of starting the private server. There's a game called Fellowship, which is very similar to the just the dungeon concept, which is kind of what we're going after. Because I have a couple of buddies of mine. I ran multiple WoW guilds, rank 1, world first, all that stuff. And I've run private servers, but we were just thinking we're just gonna start a private server and do some keystones, but in the classic version. So AI does a pretty good job with it. Yeah, it'll be that, but we're also gonna have 5, 10, and 20-man raids. I mean, I have hundreds of people in my guild Discord, so they'll most of them will hop on. And then there's a Discord in the description too that is going to be for the private server, which is relatively new. It was for a game that I was making, like actually a game, because I also do game development. So, but by all means, anyone's welcome. When the server does drop, a lot of stuff will go in on that, and we'll be doing things. Fix the NPCs, because a lot of them were dropping loot, which we don't want.
Yo,
All right, we need to work on the vendor.
have a good one.
Let's go to the starting zone. All right, so this guy. Whoa. Cindralis. I don't like how my camera's following me. So we need tooltips. I guess we really don't, but all right. I was gonna do gear, but I don't know how I want to do that now. Huh. I guess, yeah, I could do prestige. So it allows them to do that, but... The next thing we need to do is we need to create the capstone gear vendors. It's gonna be one vendor, and the user or player should only see gear available to their class. They will need the token for it, which is going to be the armor founding tokens that we created. So what it will need is those, and then it'll need like 1 per piece, and then after that it'll need another one plus the sigils, allowing players to upgrade them each time. Create this vendor, making sure it uses the same style menu as the broker as well. Probably just because I've never, me personally, I've always hated having to worry about gear in dungeons because it's like, wow, I didn't get gear, or, you know, only one person gets it. And like I said, it's going to be very dungeon focused, so I feel like tokens are probably the way to go. Because you get sigils from completing the dungeons, and based on the speed that you do it, you know, you'll get more. That's kind of like the currency that we're going with. Like gold, everyone's going to start with 10k, but the gold does absolutely nothing. So we'll have to go through and work on fixing a lot of that. Looks like I also have items that are... There's going to be a lot of custom items too. Yeah, true. You're not wrong. I guess I could do some sort of personal loot system where, you know, the Warrior that Mythic Plus does work, and then have it drop loot, but also give the sigils. So that way there's kind of both, but a lower chance to get a piece of personal loot. Because at the end of it, there is a chest. So if I go, let's see, let's go to RFC really quick. Ragefire. Leave this party, reset. Let's make a .die command. Turn GM on. Show you real quick. I think the biggest thing is like the weights. So there's no affixes. We have 2 affixes that I created. And then there will be weights. So you'll see game is like acting crazy right now. If I just go through and kill them, all the percentages go up. You have to kill all the bosses. I don't know why this isn't letting me select things. The game is fucking freezing over here. Yeah, this shit is not wanting to... We got this boss that's pretty custom. This guy I've been working on for like all day. Comes up with like custom timers, 4 custom abilities. He's got like reinforcements he'll call, of course, and a couple different things. I'm working on some of the effects. But he'll be cool. Let's see. What she got now? Presley, get in here. Come here. Let's kill a bunch of this trash. It'll help us get our numbers up here. This guy's got some custom mobs and abilities as well. Yeah, the trash, I think I'm a little too heavy on it. So I want people to be able to do skips and speed runs and stuff like that too, but it's like it just keeps like spinning my character. No clue why. You see, I mean, I've cleared a lot of trash and it's not even done. All right, trash is done. And then either the last boss or last trash mob. Like this guy, I haven't really scripted him 100% yet, but when you kill him, he does some crazy shit. which I guess he teleported me here and didn't bring me back correctly. Why didn't he bring me back? Or teleport here with me? Looks like we gotta fix that too. Weird. It was literally working before, but that's all right. And then we kill him. You get this menu telling you your time, stars. I still need to put stars. Yeah, for sure. Everything's weighted, so I did add all the weights, but I think like the percentages are just way too high. It's set to a weight of like 140 in this dungeon. And yeah, 145. So that's not 145 mobs, that's just the weight. But nah, I mean, I got a map editor that I'm gonna start working on some maps, and also I got a buddy of mine who said they'll help work on that, who does some stuff like that too. But completing, you know, it did its thing. You could view the league. You know, it's got a couple different things that you can actually do: leaderboards, dungeons, capstones, all the rewards. Menus still need work, but then you got the chest at the end, which I could add gear. But yeah, I got Nugget working on Mac yesterday, and it works. But yeah, I mean, this will be grindy if I do it that way. So you're probably not wrong. I probably should change things up. But again, I'm in practice mode because I'm in GM. So if you have GM on your account, it makes it so it doesn't count towards it, invalidates it. Because I don't want people like GMs. I mean, I won't have GMs because I'm gonna have AI doing everything for me, but because who needs GMs? I don't gotta pay. Stop! What's wrong with you? Yeah, well, she's behind my chair, yeeting me around. It also didn't give me the sigil or the keystone for some reason. All right. Yeah, I mean, Nugget should be good though, because I do plan on making a couple of different maps. I mean, we were a big sod guild, so at this point, it's just kind of working around that. What's my mom want? What's my mom texting me? I don't think many people use. I don't even think Vangos is even around anymore, man. I think most people use that like Azeroth core. I think it is like the biggest one right now. Yeah, I mean they committed yesterday, and it's still based on C++ and C. But I think I think V Mangos might be gone. I guess, yeah. Yeah, it's vanilla though. I mean, if you plan on vanilla, yeah, last week they looked like they did work to it. Yeah. I'm just using Trinity just because it was like the first one that came to mind. When I was younger and I ran WoW Ponage, I ran it off of Arc Emu. Yeah. I can't get with that client. It just, I'm not a fan of it. Yeah, I heard of Chronos. I got a couple people who play there. I played on Nestarius and a couple of those pretty heavily with some larger guilds, but I mean, AI is around, man. It shouldn't be that hard. Can literally do anything you need it to do, right? There's a lot of free stuff too. I was on Emu Coach earlier, and they have they have a lot of stuff on here. I even thought of building the project around Kata, but the Kata client it's not all that. And I gotta run with freaking WoW Silicon. So I have to run this in order to play. Which, I mean, I could just run Wine, but I don't have a gaming PC anymore. I got rid of it for a fucking Mac Studio. Nobody plays Kata, but I'm not really building a Kata server, right? So Kata would have been good for what I'm trying to do because it gives me the layout for it, right? Or even actually Mop probably would, or not Mop. When did Mythic come out? BFA or Legion? One of those expansions. Whenever Mythic came out, would have been the best for it because of what I'm trying to do, right? Was it Legion? Yeah. I mean, the dungeons don't bother me. I can make all the custom dungeons, which is fine to me. There's it's not what I want. Chromicraft, I think, has a pretty decent core that they're open core. So they do, or open source, and they run it off of Azeroth. Like they have their, yeah, right here, Azeroth core, and they're just forked into it. Which is fine. I mean, I should have went Azeroth core, but I don't feel like switching now. It's crazy how some of these servers are so fucking big. So today, at least. Because I remember having 7,000 people on ours, and we thought we were the biggest, which we were at the time. Molten WoW, which is now Warmane, was the only server that was bigger than mine. And I sold my server to some Russian guy, so. Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at him earlier. I was looking at like their issues and they had a bunch of stuff on there. But yeah, they have a bunch of mods. I got a dashboard, which I don't know what it does, but written in TypeScript. TWOW was a little too big. Same with Project Epoch. We hopped on there and then that whole bullshit went down with Blizzard and yeah, I mean, nowadays, though, you just invite people through Discord and you're like, hey, join the server. You never have to even go to a website. Yeah, but TWOW is creating their own MMO, apparently. Like some moon whisper something. Moon Whisper Games. That's what they claim. They've got like this X page that is. Blizzard will get what they want, though. That's for sure. Yeah. I will say that even if they do make a game, if they're not using AI, we're not going to see that for 10 years. I mean, an MMO ain't something they can make quick. And I played on indies and most of them suck. Right? Like, there was supposed to be some RuneScape MMO coming out from Ascension, and I think they scrapped that too. I think RuneScape did something. Yeah. I mean, I like what AI can do, though. I mean, it's definitely got its perks. I've made a couple of games with it, you know, in Godot and Unity, Unreal. I own a couple of extensions. So I worked for a server that got sued many years ago for like $80 million. And I think the girl's name was like Allison. The server was like Scape Gaming or something like that. And I was a SQL dev on their server. I got paid for it. But once that whole fucking shit went down with her getting sued, I dipped out because that was scary. Yeah, for sure. I mean, with AI, the good thing about me, though, I mean, so here's how I have AI set up, right? And I'm using it in Codex. Some people like the terminal. I have terminals that run too, but I have Claude running actual businesses right now on the side because I also have Claude subscriptions. So, but I mean, it's does what it need to do. It's running this right now. I don't even know what this one's doing. Oh yeah, this one's redoing the boss. So I had it make an NPC earlier. Where did it put that guy? That's the GM tier. Oh, rare. See if this actually made the correct NPC. And the problem with private servers is at that point, you know, Blizzard no happy. But for me, I don't give a fuck. I don't plan on charging. I don't even ask for donations or anything like that. I'm just, you know, here to have fun. Some people want to charge all kinds of money, and that's the issue with their servers. All right, so this sells the tokens. Let's see. All right. Probably don't want to show this like this because this is showing all of them. Why is this not? Okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, the big problem with the whole vibe coding thing is people think, you know, a lot of these YouTubers that come on and they're like, okay, well, here's what you're gonna do, and you're gonna make $500,000 a month, right? Yeah, that's not the case. You have to have some sort of knowledge to marketing and coding and stuff like that. Now, yeah, you can win the lottery and get lucky by making some product that just pops off, right? I mean, I don't even see what the point of that is, right? There's probably so many other things that people can utilize, right? I want tooltips on these. On the Capstone gear vendor and the sigil vendor, can you make it so they have tooltips when you highlight over any of the items? Also, the Capstone gear vendor shows other stuff other than like actual items. We don't need those on there. Organize it by like gear and weapons and off pieces instead. Make sure it's in its own C++ script. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, man. We'll definitely need testers. As you can see, I mean, it's like I said, I'm 2 days in, 3 days in. If you join the Discord, you know, you'll see I'll end up putting updates in there, and any input you got, feel free to throw it in there as well. And I'll have a login page and account creation. I mean, I have it. I just haven't put it out there yet. Everything's running on my local device on a Mac Studio I have. What else? I need to figure out this loading screen. It doesn't want to work for some reason. All right, we're gonna work on this here. I have a doc that I want this to review from a markdown file. Where did I put it? Speaking of Nugget, I wanted to actually see something real quick. Let's see. Dungeons. I wanted to look at RFC really quick. Where is RFC? Am I crazy? I don't know if this will let me work on the dungeon. Like where? Like where is the dungeon? Because it ain't here. Is this it? This shit's so laggy. That ain't RFC. I guess the dungeon's not in here. No. I don't think my computer likes this, but I can't find this fucking dungeon. That ain't it. So I don't know. I don't know where it is. Where in Nogget do I open RFC, as I'm not seeing it in the dungeons tab, and I want to modify the map? I don't know where it is. It's not what I said, but all right. I don't think Nugget has it on here, but I don't have a search. I mean, we literally have a folder that you can use, right? The next thing we need to do is go back over all the items. I don't want them to say plus 10 wildfire vestments. I want it to be in the actual item description. So it should just say the name of the item, but in the item, in like green text, it should say plus 10 or plus 9, plus 8, so on and so forth. All right, I'll be right back. You want to do it? Turn around. Go on your butt. Let's just take this in, okay? Lay down for me. Here, I'll do it first, right? There. I'm not done. Come here. Make it worse, why not? You were open shut. I think we should say baby shark. Shark. Suckle. Hey, what's up, baby? Warm. Not fever, but doesn't really need to go back unless she starts like getting sick. Nothing. We're gonna get more time with them. All right. We hopping out of here for now. Good stream. We'll be back later.